Right now, there are about $50 billion bills in circulation around the world. You probably have a few in your pocket, and you probably think they're made of paper. But here's the thing, they're not really. Pull out a bill and feel it. It's got a waxy texture, doesn't it? Crinkles in a weird way, almost rubbery. That's because what you're holding is actually a sophisticated piece of anti-counterfeiting technology disguised as currency. So here's what we're asking today. If it's not paper, what is it? And why did it take governments decades to figure out the recipe? Uncover the mystery about cash right here on the Untold Origins. Let's rewind to 1862. The United States had a problem. Counterfeiting was rampant. 1 in every $3 in circulation was fake. The Secret Service didn't even exist yet. It was created specifically to fight counterfeiters. So the Treasury Department brought in a chemist named William Wood, who realized that traditional paper was way too easy to copy. He spent years experimenting with fabrics, fibers, and compounds until he landed on something revolutionary, a blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen. That single decision changed the game. And here's the secret that makes modern currency nearly impossible to forge. The bills aren't printed on the surface, they're printed into the material itself. The ink bonds at a molecular level with the cotton linen blend, making it impossible to bleach your copy with standard printing equipment. When you hold a bill up to light, you see a watermark. That's not printed on top. It's actually built into the fiber structure during manufacturing, using a special mold. Same with the security thread that's embedded, not glued. It's genuinely woven into the fabric. So when counterfeiters try to scan and print a bill, the copy falls apart because the ink doesn't behave the same way on regular paper. Here's a common myth. People think the color-shifting ink on modern bills means they're fake if they don't shift. Wrong. That color-shifting ink is just one layer of security. The real magic is in the substrate, the material itself. Even if someone perfectly replicated every visible feature, the texture, weight, and how it feels under a microscope would give it away. In the printing industry, there's a measurement called brightness rating. Modern currency paper scores around 72 to 75 on the brightness scale, significantly duller than standard paper, which sits around 90. This dullness isn't a flaw, it's intentional. It makes the bills harder to replicate with office equipment. The process of making currency is so controlled that a single sheet of currency-grade paper costs the government about 4 cents to produce. But the security measures baked into that sheet make counterfeiting virtually worthless. You'd spend more money trying to forge it than you'd make. When you think about it, modern money is really a story of human ingenuity. We took a simple need away to exchange value and turned it into an object so technologically advanced that it remains nearly impossible to replicate. Every bill in your wallet is proof that function and security can hide in plain sight. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with a curious friend, and subscribe to the Untold Origins.